This meditation will be focused on detaching our awareness from our thoughts. Find a comfortable position with your spine straight and relax your body. We start with the feet. Visualize a golden white light entering the soles of your feet, releasing and washing away any tension you may have there. As the golden light goes up your feet, into your legs, and reaching your groin, let go of each body part. As you breathe, let the light relax and invigorate your body with relaxing vitality and well-being. Let the light saturate your body and organs with well-being. Let it enter your organs, your heart, your lungs, your shoulders, arms, hands, jaw. Let your jaw drop a little bit. Wiggle it. Let it go. Let the golden lights reach your eyes, and become aware of any tension behind your eyes, the small muscles that control them. Let's enjoy this time while we close our eyes to let them rest, as they're always being overused. Now take a few deep breaths in, deeply into your belly. Hold it for a couple of seconds and breathe out. Again, breathe in through your nostrils. Hold and breathe out. And again, breathe in and breathe out. Now become aware of your body as a whole. Feel the clothes on your skin and feel the weight of your body as a whole. Feel the force of gravity on this planet. Just simply become aware of your body. We don't need to think about it. We don't need to get emotional about it. Just breathe and feel the body. Now ask yourself, how am I feeling? How am I feeling? Don't answer with your mind, with thoughts. We don't care if your mind thinks that it's sad, stressed. All these are just words, just labels, distractions from really connecting with yourself. So really ask the question, how am I feeling? Just breathe after you ask the question. Feel the body. Whatever feeling is there, accept it, acknowledge it. Whatever feeling is there, let it be, and continue to breathe. We aren't trying to reach any particular state. We are only becoming aware. As a great spiritual teacher says, what you accept, you go beyond. Now, the next question for us is to ask, what am I thinking? Don't answer, just be aware. Perhaps you have disturbing thoughts, tempting thoughts, thoughts about what you want to do after this or tomorrow. That's fine. But for just 5 minutes or so, you're going to allow yourself to free yourself from controlling the mind, controlling the thoughts. Let them go. Let them be. Whatever thoughts are there, we let them be. Even if some thoughts are very overwhelming, we continue to breathe and let them be. As you become aware of the thoughts, they disappear. You can see your thoughts as clouds in the sky, just floating. You aren't making any conscious effort to think these thoughts. They come naturally. As you become aware of these thoughts, bring back awareness of the body at the same time and become aware of your breath. Become deeply and intimately aware of the breath. Let the breath breathe naturally. Surrender control. Your body knows how to breathe. How long can your awareness be involved in the breath without thoughts tempting your awareness away from it? Stay anchored in the breath. If you begin paying attention to a thought, that's fine. Come back to the breath. Simply come back to the breath. Every time you come back, you become a little more stronger. This is inner strength. As you become deeper, rooted in the body, rooted in the breath, allow your mind to become more peaceful, more silent. Just for this time in this meditation, let it be at peace. Let the clouds become clear skies. And be at peace with the breath. Our next affirmation or mantra is to say to ourselves, I am not my body. Become aware of your entire body as a whole as you say this. I am not my body. I am only aware of my body. You may feel new energy arising in the body, an inner aliveness. This is good. Let it be. Don't control it. And then we say, I am not my mind. I am not my thoughts. Be detached. Be aware. Life does not happen in thoughts. Life happens here and now. Thoughts cannot overwhelm you. You overwhelm thoughts. Only breathe. This is your being. This is your essence. This is your consciousness.